Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a messy house power hour. Our house just got really messy from the weekend and the holidays, so we just needed a quick tidy up. But before I hop into this video, I'm really excited because this video is actually a collab with a new friend of mine on YouTube. Her name is Lauren Midgley. She is a mom to a little boy named William, and she does a lot of lifestyle and motherhood videos just like I do on her channel. She does a lot of cleaning, decorate with me's, all that good stuff. And I know you guys will love her content. I just enjoy watching her videos. She's so real and down to earth. She is also going to be doing a cleaning video over on her channel, so I will leave all of her links in the description box, so be sure to go check her out. And if you're coming over from Lauren's channel, hi, welcome. My name is Whitney. I have a 2-year-old son and a 4-month-old baby girl. I do a lot of lifestyle cleaning videos just like Lauren does. And I hope that you guys will subscribe and join my family, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. So as you guys can see, there is just a lot of random stuff all over our house. It's not so much dirty as it is just needs a good tidy up. We've been in and out of the house all weekend with the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas parties, all that good stuff. So our house just needs a good, quick clean up. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as I clean, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So after I set the timer for 1 hour, I'm gonna start by picking everything up in the kitchen. All of the trash, all of the stuff all over the countertops, on the floors. I have a 2-year-old son, and he loves to put toys all over our house, so there's always little action figures or balls or toys, whatever it is, just lying all over our house, so I had to pick all of those up as well. And then really quickly, I'm gonna do the dishes and then clean off all of the countertops.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Moving into the playroom, I know our playroom is ridiculous. We have stuff all over the place, things in random bins, books all over the floor. We have absolutely no organizational system going on in here. So I'm actually going to be doing a playroom makeover on my channel. We ordered some stuff for all of that, so I'm just waiting for that to come in, and then I will get that up for you guys. And I cannot wait to have some organization going on in here because I just know it's gonna get worse after Christmas.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
Moving into the most messiest room in my house of all time, always. This room is seriously always trash with toys, clothes, food, all kinds of crumbs in the carpet. So this room just really needed a good tidy up.
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
And then I'm just gonna quickly sweep the kitchen. I really wanted to run the vacuum this night, but my kids were sleeping and it was really late, so I didn't want to just wake my whole house up with the vacuum. So I went ahead and did that. And then of course laundry, guys. I swear I have laundry all the time. This was actually a load that was sitting in my dryer for probably 4 days at this point, so I went ahead and folded it while I had some time left on my little timer.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while.
Still with 15 minutes to spare, I felt like I just had so much time left over. So I went ahead and picked up all of the stuff on our stairs. Does anybody else do this? I put everything on our stairs. Things that have to go upstairs, things that have to go in the closet, things that have to go in separate rooms other than the first floor. And then it's just a whole other room to clean in itself, and it just becomes overwhelming. So I went ahead and hung up all of the jackets that we had used over the weekend and straightened all of that good stuff up.
From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need
Still with 8 minutes to spare on my timer, I went ahead and wiped off all of our stainless steel appliances because they were looking a little dirty. And then after that, I actually still had 3 minutes left on the clock. So the next morning, I went ahead and vacuumed while my kids were awake just to get that over with. And it took me probably about a minute to do that.
I wanna make you sweat on me.
knows what you think about me. And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this Clean With Me Power Hour. I'm so happy that our house is clean. I hate starting my week with a dirty house. I don't know what it is, but I just cannot get motivated when my house is a wreck. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out Lauren's links in the description box. For real, you guys, I know you guys will love her, so be sure to do that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we could